Did you know Algeria is home to over 30 unique olive varieties, each bringing a distinct flavor to the nation's rich culinary heritage? The Kemlal olive, native to the Kabylie region, is famed for its fruity aroma and serves as the backbone of Algeria's prized golden olive oil. The Sigoise, a plump black olive from the Oran area, is prized for its meaty texture, making it perfect for table olives and flavorful tapenades. Meanwhile, the Azeraj olive, known for its robust and slightly bitter taste, is a favorite for marinating and stuffing. In Algerian kitchens, olives are far more than just a garnish. They're an essential ingredient that defines many traditional dishes. One iconic recipe, tagine zitoun, features chicken or lamb slowly simmered with green olives, carrots, and aromatic spices, creating a tangy, savory masterpiece that highlights the olive's unique flavor. Olives also play a starring role in mechoui, a festive roasted lamb dish, where olive oil is brushed over the meat to enhance flavor and tenderness. Additionally, marinated olives add a burst of color and zest to salads, elevating even the simplest meal to something extraordinary. These olives not only enrich Algerian cuisine, but also reflect the country's deep agricultural roots and cultural traditions.